In this video, we will show you how to set up your Heimgard temp and humidity sensor. The temp and humidity sensor will monitor temperature and humidity of the room where the device is placed. First step in setting up your new temp and humidity sensor is to remove the wall mount and the back cover to expose the battery. Remove the battery isolation by pulling the plastic tab and put the cover back on. You are now ready to pair the water leak detector with your Heimgard app. Open the Heimgard app and click the gear symbol located in the top right corner. Click Manage Devices, then click the plus sign. And then click the Scan for New Device symbol. It's time to activate your temp and humidity sensor. Insert the metal pin and click and hold the Join button for 3 seconds while your app is scanning for your device. You are now ready to configure your temp and humidity sensor. Name your device and choose your designated room. You can also add it to your climate system by clicking on Advanced and Climate Control. Remove the protection layer on the double-sided tape on the wall mount. Press the wall mount firmly against the wall at your desired location. Avoid placing it outdoors, above or below heating or cooling systems, or in direct contact with water. Thank you for choosing Heimgard. Enjoy your new product. For further information, please visit our website, heimguard.com.